how to get more conversion from advert using remarketing. In a perfect world, all of your web traffic would be organic. That's the most ideal scenario for everyone. But sometimes it can take 6, 12, or even 18 months for you really notice the benefits from your organic search strategies. What is remarketing? It's way to expose your ads to people who have previously viewed your website in the past. Since that visitors are already familiar with your brand, it's more likely that they will convert the when they see your ad in shop or on Google partner site. Getting traffic to your website is obviously great. We don't want more traffic, but if those visitors are not converting, you are not going to see a high ROI on those paid ads. That's where remarketing comes into play. There is a simple usual representation to show you exactly how remarketing works. User visits your site, user is tracked, user leaves your site, user see your ads on other site, user click on ad and return to your site. It's a very easy concept to understand. Basically, your website visitor will be tracked based on their behavior. Then your ad will appear when they are browsing on another site in the future. I am sure this has happened to you before. Generate the remarketing code. The first thing you need to do is generating a remarketing code from your Google AdWords account. Then you will eventually add this code to your website so Google can track visitor and ultimately apply this strategy via partner site. I'm going to assume that you already have a Google Ads account. Once you are signed into your Google AdWords, click on the left tool icon at the top of your dashboard to expand the menu. Then navigate to the shared library column and select audience manager as a pictured above. When you land on this page, you will see that you are already in a remarketing section on the left side of the screen. Click on audience source to continue. When you get to this page, you will see 5 different options. Google Ads tag, Google Analytics, App Analytics, Google Play, YouTube. These are all ways that you can track customer for remarketing campaign. But for our purpose today, you are going to select setup tag from the Google Ads tag box. Add the tag to your website. Once the remarketing code has been generated, you need to install the tag on your website. For those who you for those of you who choose the second option involving specific visitor action, global site tag, event snipped. The event snip tag are a little bit more complex. You can't just install the code on your site as it read it auto generation box like this. As you can see from I have pointed out above, three are parts of the tag that need to be replaced with the value of tracking purpose. Select how you want to install the Google Ads tag. Install the tag yourself, email the tag, use Google Tag Manager. Item parameter. As I explained before, you need to upload the placeholder in the event snippet. These are the categories: retail, education, flight, hotels and rental, jobs, local deals, real estate, travel, custom. Update your privacy policy. Once you have all this set up and the code installed on your site, you need to make some additional changes to your website as well. Create custom audience list. Now it's time to customize exactly who you will be trading with remarketing. Go back to the audience manager page on your advert dashboard, then navigate to the audience list. Add tab and click on the plus sign to add a new audience. Website visitor, app user, YouTube user, customer list, custom combination. Next, you can add more information about this list by naming it and changing the site setting. Here is what that page looks like. Launch your remarketing campaign. After you are setting up your remarketing, sale leads, website traffic, brand adverts, research, product and brand consideration, app promotion. Campaign name, location you want to target, language, bid setting, budget. That's how you drive conversation with Google AdWords using remarketing campaign.